Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where nature meets craftsmanship and creativity breathes life into every corner of your home. Today, we are diving into something truly extraordinary: live edge coffee tables, the perfect harmony between raw beauty and refined design. These tables don't just serve as furniture, they are living art, showcasing how the untamed beauty of wood can transform a modern home into a warm and elegant space. A live edge coffee table is more than just a place to set your cup, it's a statement piece, a reflection of nature's imperfect perfection, and a reminder that beauty often lies in the unexpected. Crafting a live edge coffee table is truly an art form. It begins with selecting the perfect slab of wood, often from reclaimed sources or trees that have naturally fallen. The craftsman studies its natural form, observing every curve and texture before deciding how to enhance its best features. The bark may be left on for a rugged, organic appeal, or carefully removed for a sleek, contemporary finish. Cracks and voids are often filled with resin or metallic epoxy, creating stunning patterns that highlight the table's natural imperfections rather than hiding them. This process transforms what might have been considered a flaw into a focal point, turning imperfection into beauty. Imagine bringing a piece of the forest into your living room, a slice of nature, shaped by time, touched by sunlight, and gently sculpted by human hands. Every live edge slab tells a story. The curves of the bark, the flowing grain, and the subtle imperfections all come together to form a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Unlike traditional tables with sharp, straight edges, live edge designs preserve the natural outline of the tree, creating a visual rhythm that feels organic and timeless. It's as if nature and craftsmanship are dancing together, one wild, one refined, creating harmony within contrast. What makes these tables so special is their versatility. Live edge coffee tables fit seamlessly into any interior style, from sleek minimalist apartments to rustic countryside homes. The raw edges blend beautifully with clean modern lines, while the rich texture of the wood brings warmth and authenticity to any space. Whether made from walnut, oak, acacia, or reclaimed wood, each table holds its own character. A polished walnut slab with steel legs speaks to modern luxury, while a raw oak top with wooden supports brings out a cozy, rustic charm. The beauty lies in the balance between nature's irregularity and human design precision. If you love natural wood furniture and creative home design, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor. We upload new videos every day filled with inspiring woodworking ideas, sustainable design concepts, and unique decor tips to help you transform your living space. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an idea that could redefine your home's character. The artistry doesn't stop there. The base of the table plays an equally important role. Pairing a natural wood slab with metal or glass legs creates a stunning contrast between organic and industrial elements, blending nature's warmth with modern sophistication. Some designers prefer minimalist metal frames for an airy look, while others use thick wooden bases for a solid, grounded presence. Each choice contributes to the personality of the piece. No two live edge tables are ever the same. When placed in your living room, a live edge coffee table becomes more than furniture. It becomes an experience, a conversation starter, and a reminder of nature's power and elegance. Styling a live edge coffee table can be as simple or as creative as you like. In a minimalist home, the table itself should take center stage. Keep the decor light, a few art books, a ceramic vase, or a single candle is enough to highlight the natural grain and form of the wood. For a bohemian or rustic space, add texture with woven mats, earthy coasters, or a touch of greenery. A small plant, fern, or bonsai enhances the natural feel and brings your table to life. For a luxurious modern aesthetic, choose a slab with a glossy finish, and pair it with gold or matte black legs. Add a crystal tray, marble candle holder, or a glass sculpture to complete the high-end look. The beauty of a live edge table lies in its adaptability. It effortlessly blends with every interior style, always adding warmth and soul to the space. If you're enjoying these design ideas so far, take a moment to like this video. It really helps us grow and reach more home decor lovers like you. And if you've ever built or styled your own live edge furniture, share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else, and who knows, we might even feature your design in one of our upcoming Kuki Decor videos. Beyond its beauty, live edge furniture carries a deeper meaning. In a world filled with mass-produced, synthetic materials, choosing a piece of natural wood reconnects us with the earth. Each table is a tribute to the tree it once was, its rings telling stories of growth, weather, and time. Every knot and groove represents resilience and history. When you bring that into your home, you're not just decorating, you're preserving a piece of nature's legacy. Many artisans see their work as collaboration with nature rather than domination over it, revealing the hidden beauty of the wood instead of reshaping it. It's a philosophy rooted in respect, patience, and creativity. Sustainability is another reason live edge tables are so admired. Many are crafted from reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood, giving new life to materials that would otherwise be discarded. This makes each piece both eco-friendly and deeply meaningful. By choosing live edge furniture, you're not only enhancing your living space, but also supporting a conscious lifestyle, one that values nature, craftsmanship, and longevity over mass production and waste. There are countless ways to personalize a live edge coffee table. A minimalist live edge design with slim metal legs fits beautifully in a contemporary home, offering elegance in simplicity. For those who crave something more artistic, the epoxy river table is a stunning option, combining wood and resin to create the illusion of a flowing river running through the slab. The result is both visually captivating and structurally durable. Industrial designs pair natural wood with bold black steel frames for a raw, urban edge, while rustic farmhouse styles use thick wooden bases for a comforting, old-world charm. For a modern artistic look, some designers even use floating acrylic bases, making the slab appear as if it's suspended in air. Each of these variations celebrates individuality and craftsmanship, ensuring no two designs will ever be identical. A live edge coffee table is more than just furniture, it's an emotional centerpiece. It brings balance, grounding energy, and a sense of calm into your space. The tactile experience of running your fingers over the uneven edges, an organic surface connects you directly with nature, something our modern lives often lack. It's a daily reminder that imperfections are what make things beautiful, and that the simplest materials can create the most profound designs. Thank you for joining us today on Kuki Decor, where we continue to celebrate the timeless artistry of wood and the creative spirit that transforms it into functional elegance. Live edge coffee tables perfectly capture the soul of nature, wild yet refined, simple yet luxurious. If you enjoyed this exploration of design and craftsmanship, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to know your favorite style, Do you prefer a natural matte finish that highlights texture, or a sleek glossy epoxy surface that reflects light? Share your thoughts below. Your feedback helps us create more content you'll love. At Kuki Decor, we believe every home deserves a touch of nature's magic, something authentic, timeless, and made with heart. So, whether you're crafting your own live edge coffee table, or simply appreciating the craftsmanship behind it, remember, elegance isn't about perfection, it's about character, warmth, and connection. Bring nature home, one design at a time, only here on Kuki Decor.